Hello everyone. Today is the official opening of Monday Bird Paradise, the newest attraction in Singapore. I'm here at the Penguin Cove. Take a look at the penguins behind. You see those nets on top? That is to prevent the birds from flying outside of the bird park. I'm now at this segment called Heart of Africa, walking past the bridge here. Here are the flamingos. Hey guys, take a look. There are more flamingos here.
So we are prepared for the adventure. We have like nest boxes ready, and we hope that they actually use the crevices to lay the so we can actually feed them. Yeah, but it may be like they are because they are young, right? They are young parents. We have the capability to actually get the egg and then get the nurse here to go and take care inside the hospital.
I'm here at the Bird Theatre. It's going to be about 12:30. The show is going to start soon.
Hello everyone! Nibanta! Namaste! Apa kabar? Annyeonghaseyo! Now my name is Lynn and I am your guide, and today we are going to discover birds.
I am a birder, and that I'm not just the look at birds, I look for birds. But I've traveled from Scotland to Zululand, all the way to Antarctica, just to see as many birds as I can.
Now with me here, I have Higgins, and Higgins here is a green bean peacock.
Basket of dusty materials, right? These are the things that this bird would use to create some beddings for the nest. What do we have here? We have twigs, we have, let's see, oh, we have dried leaves, and even tree barks. Your rooster can laugh?
Yes! Isn't my rooster cute?
Oh!
Okay, one more time. How do you do the rooster? Rooster! Welcome to Parrot Paradise. Let's hear this one more time.
Okay, introduce yourself again. Tell everyone here, what is your name? What is your name? Amigo! It's his name. Good job. Now, Amigo, what would you like to say to all these nice people? Oh, it's so sweet.
Let's try it closer, okay? Over there.
There you go! Goes inside. Now, ladies and gentlemen, after she's inside the nest, the male horn will come over with her mother. She will mix that with two other ingredients, which are mashed fruits and even her own droppings to create a strong seed.
Let's watch this. So this right here is Vicky. She is inspecting the nest box, and only if she likes it, then she will pop right in. Look at that, there she goes. And this is Sunny feeding Vicky inside the nest hole. Now this unique nesting area is short. Wow. Let's talk about the device they're holding on to that is known as a monkey's fist. Thank you for joining us on our adventure and happy birthday!
I really enjoyed the show. Now I'm taking the shuttle bus back. Well, I'm going to end the video here. I enjoyed my time visiting the new Mandai Bird Paradise. So if you're coming to Singapore, make sure to visit this new attraction. It's Mandai Bird Paradise. It's beside Singapore Zoo, Night Safari and River Safari. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Please remember to subscribe and thank you for watching. Also, enjoy your time here. Bye bye!